The Sam and Rose Stein Institute is dedicated to promoting lifelong health and well-being through cutting-edge research and community outreach. This content delves into essential topics surrounding cognitive health, including normal aging, dementia, risk factors, and the latest advancements in intervention programs. Understanding normal aging versus dementia. Normal cognitive changes with aging. Aging naturally brings about changes in cognitive function, such as slower recall of memories or difficulty multitasking. These changes, while sometimes frustrating, are typically not severe enough to interfere with daily life. What is dementia? Dementia, on the other hand, is a significant decline in cognitive abilities that affects daily activities and independence. Unlike normal aging, dementia often involves substantial impairments in memory, reasoning, language, and problem solving. Alzheimer's disease is the most common cause, but other diseases, such as vascular dementia, also play a role. Dementia statistics and impact. The prevalence of dementia, particularly Alzheimer's disease, is alarming. Over 6.7 million Americans aged 65 and older currently live with Alzheimer's. However, it's critical to emphasize that dementia is not an inevitable part of aging. In fact, 2/3 of older adults do not develop dementia, showcasing the importance of understanding risk factors and protective measures. Cellular mechanisms of dementia. The underlying biological mechanisms of dementia provide insights into prevention and treatment. 2 hallmark pathologies of Alzheimer's disease include: 1. Amyloid beta plaques, clusters of protein fragments that disrupt communication between neurons. 3. Neurofibrillary tangles, twisted strands of the protein tau that lead to neuronal dysfunction. Additionally, vascular changes and chronic inflammation contribute to cognitive decline by impairing blood flow and creating an environment of oxidative stress. Modifiable risk factors for cognitive health. Research highlights several modifiable risk factors that can either exacerbate or reduce the likelihood of developing dementia. Key factors include: 1. Hearing loss. Midlife hearing loss is one of the most significant contributors to cognitive decline. 3. Hypertension and obesity. These conditions can damage blood vessels, reducing brain health. 5. Depression and inactivity. Mental health and physical activity levels are closely tied to cognitive outcomes. 7. Diabetes management. Uncontrolled blood sugar increases the risk of vascular damage and Alzheimer's disease. Lifestyle interventions. 1. Regular aerobic exercise improves blood flow to the brain, reducing inflammation. 3. Addressing sleep apnea can enhance the brain's ability to clear toxic proteins. Diet and brain health. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in cognitive health. The MIND diet, Mediterranean diet intervention for neurodegenerative delay, combines elements of the Mediterranean and diets to optimize brain health. Key components include: 1. Recommended foods: leafy greens, berries, nuts, whole grains, fish, and olive oil. 3. Foods to avoid: fast food, pastries, and processed snacks. Maintaining vascular health through diet not only protects the heart but also safeguards cognitive function. Gender differences in cognitive decline. Women face unique challenges regarding cognitive health. Research suggests that hormonal changes, particularly the decline in estrogen during menopause, may contribute to increased Alzheimer's risk in women. Additionally, women's stronger immune responses might influence inflammation-related brain changes. Programs like WITS, Women's Interventional Trial Study, are investigating how targeted interventions, such as exercise and anti-inflammatory strategies, can address these risks. The role of sleep and diabetes management. Sleep health. Quality sleep is essential for cognitive function. During deep sleep, the brain's glymphatic system clears amyloid beta, reducing the risk of plaque buildup. Conditions like insomnia and sleep apnea disrupt this process, increasing vulnerability to dementia. Diabetes management. Insulin resistance not only affects blood sugar but also impairs brain signaling. Individuals with diabetes are at a higher risk of Alzheimer's disease, making glucose control a critical aspect of prevention. Intervention programs for cognitive health. Innovative programs are demonstrating the power of multi-domain interventions in reducing dementia risk. Finger trial. This groundbreaking study combines dietary counseling, physical activity, cognitive training, and vascular monitoring to enhance cognitive outcomes in older adults. 2. HALT AD program, a personalized intervention approach. This program sets individualized goals and provides education to reduce modifiable risk factors. The success of these initiatives underscores the importance of a holistic approach to cognitive health. Practical recommendations for cognitive health. Here are actionable steps individuals can take to promote cognitive resilience. Address sensory loss. Hearing loss is linked to faster cognitive decline. Early adoption of hearing aids or other corrective measures can mitigate this risk. Prioritize physical activity. Regular exercise, including both aerobic and strength training, supports vascular and cognitive health. Be mindful of medications. Some medications, such as anticholinergics, may have cognitive side effects. Discuss alternatives with healthcare providers. 4. Engage in cognitive stimulation. Activities like reading, puzzles, and social interaction help maintain brain health. 1. Monitor cardiovascular health. Regular checkups to manage blood pressure, cholesterol, and glucose levels are vital for brain health. Cognitive aging and dementia are complex topics, but understanding the distinction between normal aging and pathological decline is key. With advances in research and intervention strategies, there are tangible ways to reduce risk and support lifelong brain health. By addressing modifiable factors like diet, exercise, sleep, and sensory loss, individuals can take proactive steps toward a healthier cognitive future.